Welcome to Aesthetic Marby. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. 1. Fresh aloe vera gel. 2. Cucumber. 3. Honey. First, we'll prepare the cucumber by peeling and chopping it into small pieces. Blend the cucumber until you have a smooth puree like this. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of cucumber puree, 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure to mix until you have a smooth and creamy consistency, like this. Now it's time to apply the mask. Start with a clean face, then apply the mixture evenly, avoiding the eye area. Take this time to relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. And there you have it, a refreshing and hydrating face mask perfect for summer. Enjoy your glowing skin.